Cambodia broke ground for the widening and upgrading of National Road Number 41 with Chinese funds on Monday to cope with the rising flows of road traffic. The 95-kilometer road is located about 37 kilometers southwest of the capital Phnom Penh, running through 4 provinces of Cambodia. Cambodian Prime Minister Samdech Techo Hun Sen and Chinese Ambassador to Cambodia Wang Wentian presided over the groundbreaking ceremony, which was attended by some 5,000 people. Hun Sen expressed his gratitude to the government and people of China for having provided a great amount of aid to Cambodia for the development of transport infrastructure. Ambassador Wang said 2022 marked an important year for the construction of a community with a shared future between China and Cambodia, adding that a number of China-aided projects, including roads and hospitals, entered into operation.
ផ្លូវនិយាយទៅផ្លូវវាដូចវាពិបាកជីវាលាក់ចឹងណាបងវាកលុកច្រើនភ្លៀងឲ្យល្អអីពិបាកដែរពេលអត់ភ្លៀងចឹងហុយកលិកលុកចឹងណាបងខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាផ្លូវនេះសាងសង់រួចរាល់នឹងប្រជាពលរដ្ឋជួនកាលកម្មការិនីរោងចក្រនឹងស្រួលជីនឹងធ្វើដំណើរដឹកទំនិញស្រូវអីហ្នឹងដូចជាអង្គស្រូវពោតសណ្ដែកអីយើងចឹងប្រមូលផលដូចថាចឹងវាល្អទៅទីផ្សារយើងក៏រលូនតាមហ្នឹងនិយាយទៅខ្ញុំឃើញនៅប្រទេសខ្មែរយើងមានជំនួយចិនមកច្រើនណាស់ដូចជាផ្លូវថ្នល់មន្ទីរពេទ្យមណ្ឌលសុខភាពដូចសាលារៀនដូចនឹងផ្លូវថ្នល់ជាដើមអភិវឌ្ឍល្អមែនទែនសូមថ្លែងអំណរគុណដល់ខាងប្រជាជនចិនដែលបានជួយខ្មែរយើងឲ្យរីកចម្រើន
According to the Cambodian Ministry of Public Works and Transport, the project is funded by preferential loan from the Chinese government and carried out by the China Road and Bridge Corporation. The project is expected to complete in 40 months.